Greetings, my V family all over the world. Guys, this is your gorgeous Chief Patman Senati Raja here, all right, on week 15. Guys, it's been an exciting week once again. I know the whole world is suffering, going through great difficulty during this no traveling, the impact of the pandemic on the economy, on your day-to-day life. But I am very grateful because this is the longest I've been able to be in the same country with the one and only Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. And getting to spend so much time with him, understanding and being a student in proximity with him, all right, has given me an unbelievable clarity, all right. It's a sense of freedom, guys, all right. And on this Wednesday message, I want to communicate something so important to each one of you. And I was just thinking before Mike switched on the camera that what I wanted to communicate with you guys so badly, I've been thinking about it the whole day, is this confusion and this misconception and this whole misunderstanding of this industry that we belong to. Now, each one of you, whether you are new, old, brand new, 10 years, max out, king or queen, you belong to the network marketing industry. An industry that today is a $200, $300 billion industry in the world, taking over, all right, the realm of entrepreneurship or running your own business ultimately. But network marketing is slightly different from other forms of entrepreneurship because network marketing, you have uplines, you have training, you have the V, you have VCC, Zone, ISB. It's a bit more of a personal development, family sense of belonging, you know, having people to support you. It's a great platform for you to exist. And what happened, I realized today, is that in this moment of defining network marketing, everyone has added their own masala, spices, and flavors to sort of almost make it not recognizable. It is such a confusing industry. And many people have taken advantage of this confusion and redefine what network marketing is. And if you are one of those people who came into network marketing not understanding the ultimate intent of this opportunity or this industry, then I am here today on this Wednesday message to provide you with very important clarity. And I'm speaking to you as your chief, as your upline, representing the founders of the greatest network marketing company, Qnet, Japadas Bismarck, and Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. Now, I know that a lot of people get into network marketing because they're drawn to the excitement, the aura of this industry, all right, the stories they hear of growing and personal development and changing. And I'm sure you heard about raise yourself to help mankind, the mission statement of Qnet, the V, Dato Sri Vijay. But listen very carefully. The ultimate reason of being part of Qnet, your ultimate reason, cannot be confused with anything else except for you to come here and make money. Now, I'm saying this as professionally as I can, that the reason why you signed up must be because you want to own that tracking center. You bought a great product, congratulations. You own a tracking center. And your main purpose must be to maximize the income of that tracking center. Now, hold on. A lot of you are thinking, oh my God, Chief is saying network marketing is only about making money. Yes. Wake up and smell the coffee, because if you are part of this journey with us for some social purpose, to fill up an emptiness in your heart because you were a lonely moron singing Kumbaya to your fish at home in the aquarium, and you wanted interaction with other humans, and you have no intent of building and earning and being a max out king or queen, then you're wasting your bloody time. There are many social organizations out there that provide this ability to fill up the emptiness in your life. You are here with one intent. The ultimate intent is to build your left and right, to maximize the BVs on your left and right, to take your income from 250 to 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 to 5,000 to 7,500 to 10,000 to max out in the shortest period possible. That means, all right, you do whatever it takes. Because I'm starting to sense that you are surrendering this mission and, disguising this mission with a lot of bull sugar. Right? That you want to take your time to max out. And I respect that. Some people say they want to learn about the business and then max out. But you see, the minute you slow down your intent, you will lose focus. You will lose that intensity I spoke about on one of my Instagram lives. And when you lose that intensity, you cannot inspire others. Because people follow passion. People follow intensity. So if you are being one of those networkers who talk about everything for 7 hours, life-changing, family, brotherhood, sisterhood, hold hands and sing Kumbaya, and then you spend 30 seconds talking about max out, talking about the next week TAT, talking about left, right, presentation, push yourself, don't sleep, kick yourself every single day to achieve that goal. 30 seconds. 7 hours Kumbaya. Then you are one of those people in this industry who will never make it. And a lot of people look at me today, and I love talking about important stuff. And Dato Sri Vijay Japa, they talk about changing your lives and making a difference and rhythm, but you don't fail to understand that rhythm is raise yourself, not spiritually, not intellectually, but raise your checks higher every week, because you need to understand that without success, your voice is useless. If I was not financially free today, why on planet Earth would you listen to me? Think about it. So your success financially is a fundamental form of power that you don't have to be arrogant about it. You don't have to throw your money and say, I'm rich. No. But when you achieve success, when I mean success, I mean that tracking center's income going higher and higher and higher and higher, you become far more capable, far more empowered to guide and lead and empower and inspire your organization. This is the reality of this industry. And that means each one of you there right now, watching this Wednesday message, be honest with me. Look into these gorgeous eyes and tell me, how psychotic are you when it comes to focusing on the income that your tracking center gives you? How fanatical are you? You know the funny thing? You can be more fanatical about a movie you watch, You can watch a movie and immediately call 10 people and recommend them to the movie, explaining the movie, telling them where to find the movie on Netflix, all right? Or even worse, you will take your laptop, go to their house, sit down, make popcorn together, hold hands and watch the movie together. Because that movie is so exciting. But I don't remember the last time you picked up the phone and told 10 people about this greatest business on the planet called Qnet and rushed to their house, break down their door to do a presentation. And that's the danger. If your hunger for financial freedom, if your hunger and focus to raise your checks every week is not psychotic, it is not fanatical enough, then you're not going to achieve it. And I'm not talking about your dream, because a lot of people feel they have time to achieve their dream. You don't. You could drop dead after watching this Wednesday message. And I realize that every aspect of network marketing, people love to talk about. I know you guys. You can talk about every aspect of network marketing for hours, for days, for weeks. But you're very uncomfortable to talk about money, financial freedom, increasing the check from 250 to 500 to 1,000 to 2,000, and pushing your downline, pushing your leader, and pushing yourself. But on this Wednesday message, I'm sorry, guys. Truth hurts. Network marketing is about making money. Network marketing is about financial freedom. Don't get me wrong. I think this industry, my upline, Dato Sri Vijay, has added tremendous value to me to make me who I am today. But I don't think I'll be effective as your upline if I did not achieve the success I have achieved. The network marketing is about financial freedom. It's about that income in the tracking center. And the danger is when you love everything about network marketing, but you don't love the money. You don't love the success. Then you lose that ability to push yourself. So I know a lot of my Wednesday message talk about a lot of things. And I'm trying to add value to you, which I've learned from Dato Sri Vijay, so that you apply it with the purpose of raising your check. And don't misunderstand me, I love you. I'll always be your upline, I'll always be your friend, I'll always be chief. But my only goal, my ultimate goal, is for you to rise every week in your commission, to rise every week in your BVs, so that I have more people who have achieved great success that can carry on and inspire millions of people for the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years, long after I'm gone. And nothing empowers somebody to inspire others besides success. And success in network marketing is not how great you speak, how good you are on stage, and whatever other bull sugar definition. Success in network marketing is the size of your check every week. And the day you forget that and go into this kumbaya social club environment, you will be useless, ineffective, and you cannot contribute anything to your organization. And this is my wake-up call to you guys. Alright? If you only wanted the product, you shouldn't be watching my Wednesday message. But if you're watching my Wednesday message, that means you want financial freedom. You want a bigger check next week. You want to buy things the rest of the world cannot buy. You want to live the life that everyone is dreaming of living. That means focus on that income every week. That you are not here to hold hands and sing kumbaya. You are here to make money. And the day you forget that, the day you are distracted by all the noise about network marketing, about the flowers in the field and the tree and the fruits and the sky and the cloud, that's the day you stop making your checks. That's the day your income drops. And if you look every max out king and queen in their eyes, you will see a certain fire, a certain hunger to make money, to change their lives, and then inspire others. So I'm afraid sometimes that the whole organization or you guys are more attracted to help mankind, THM, but you don't like to focus on raise yourself, because this is the only thing that will make you effective to help mankind. Without financial freedom, without financial success, you cannot inspire anyone. So wake up, smell the coffee. You're not here to hold hands and sing Kumbaya. You are here to make money. You are here to be freaking filthy rich and to give hope to others that it is possible. You are here to live life of the 5%, of the 2% of the world and be an inspiration to others without even opening your mouth. And that's the purpose of network marketing. The greatest platform of entrepreneurship that will give people like you and me a chance to achieve the impossible. Of being rich or being financially free and then make a difference in the rest of the world, because you cannot make a difference without money, guys. I've realized this. And I want you to remember this today. You didn't sign up to join a social club. You signed up to join the Financial Freedom Club. And the day you lose focus on that, you become irrelevant in the world of entrepreneurship. So wake up, smell the coffee. 2021, rise. Love you guys.